Okay guys, good. Now today I will be showing you guys two steps when it comes to how to clean your computer. Alright, how to take those unwanted files and folders from your computer. I'll be showing you guys two steps. Alright, so the first steps we will get into it quickly, but before getting to it, please guys, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and make sure you share the video to someone that you know that greatly in need of it. Alright, so today we will be cleaning our PC. We'll be cleaning our PC, trying to make it run much more faster than before. Alright, the first step in doing that, we are going to get rid of those unwanted files. So the first step, we are going to get to or play in the computer where we can find all of our temporary files and see how best we can get rid of them. After that, we're going to run our disk clean. Alright, so the first step today, we will hold on to the window key and press arrow. Window arrow. Good. In window arrow, we'll do this and send in percent and say temp percent. Now percent temp percent. Alright, now if we okay this, if we send this through, if you look here, now if you do this on your computer the right way, trust me, you will find whole lots of photos and file here. Alright, for me, I'm only getting 3 because I normally perform this task. I normally perform this action. Alright, I do this on a daily basis. Alright, because I don't want this file to keep running on my RAM. Alright, so if you do this on your computer, trust me, you'll find whole lots of photos and file to get rid of. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get rid of them. Alright, to get rid of them, we want to get rid of them permanently. Alright, so we will stick our hand on the shift key and press delete because we want to delete it permanently. Alright, so we stick our hand on shift key and press delete. Now they ask all. The question window pops up to us is asking, saying, are you sure you want to permanently delete these 3 items? So I'm going to say yes. Alright, because I don't want it. Now they're going away. Okay, we won't find them in the recycle bin. If you check in the recycle bin, you won't find anything here. Alright, good, you won't find anything here. So the next way we are going to try to use our disk clean. Alright, to clean this computer as well. So we'll use window arrow, and in here we say clean and say mgr. Good. Run this our clean manager, and then the next thing we're going to see here is that after the clean manager have run, now let me take it over quickly. Alright, there were some things that went on you didn't see properly. So good, clean mgr is already there. So I'm going to come here and say okay. Good. Now after you see the disk, the window clean disk up have scanned, and it tell me that I have 7.3 megabyte of temporary internet file, and it's also telling me that I have 64.9 kilobyte. Okay, DirectX or shared cache. Now let me say this to you, all of these things that you are seeing here, they are literally things that eat up your RAM. They are literally things that eat up your RAM and cause the computer to be slow. So you have to get rid of them. Alright, so for this, I'm going to click on OK and delete them. Now they are asking me, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? I'm going to say yes, delete all of them. So the computer will take its own time and then they delete them. Alright, now as the computer is going through it, is checking for wheresoever place you find those things so that you can delete it. Alright, so guys, those are the 2 key ways you can be able to get rid of the temporary files and folders from your computer. Trust me, if you cannot get rid of them, they will keep eating up the RAM, and your computer will continue to perform slowly. So guys, thank you very much. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Do not forget, please share the video, subscribe. Let us keep growing together. That way I will be able to drop more content on this channel. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next video.